Let me show you how to import toll data in ezLoads quickly and easily. Let's get started. Adding devices and assigning a driver. Locate the Toll tab on the dashboard on the left menu. Select Toll Devices and click New Device. Enter the device number. The truck field? It's optional. You can update it later. Save. Once a device is saved, you'll need to assign a driver. Click the Assign Driver button and select a driver from the drop-down. Ensure the assignment date is correct. It should be on or before the date you want to start importing toll data. Creating import templates. Next, navigate to Import Templates. Click New Template, enter a name, and upload your toll report file. Remember to assign a value to each column in the report, matching it with the corresponding field in our system, like the date, device, and amount, which are mandatory. You can assign as many columns as you want, or add new value. After you make the template, you can make it inactive, make edits, or delete it. Importing data. Once your template is ready, go to Toll Transactions, click Import Report, select your template, upload it, and let the system do the work. If there are any issues with the template, transactions will appear color-coded. Red, something's wrong, check your template. Yellow, already imported. Green, all good. Since everything is green in our case, we proceed with importing the data. After importing, you can view all past and present transactions. Use filters to find specific entries like by report date or driver. Generating driver deductions. To allocate toll costs to drivers, select transactions individually, or you can also use the main checkbox to select all applicable transactions at once. After that, click Generate Driver Deductions to link toll expenses to driver payrolls. And that's it. In driver payroll, tolls are grouped by device number under the plus sign. You can add them individually by clicking on the blue plus sign or as a batch. Decide how transactions appear in the PDF, separately or grouped. Here, the tolls are grouped into one line in the PDF. You can adjust this in My Company Settlement Settings, where you have the option to check or uncheck group toll transactions, depending on how you want them to appear in the PDF. Now that group toll transactions is unchecked, go back to the driver payroll and click Download PDF again. See? Now they're listed separately. And that's how easy it is to import and manage toll data with ezLoads TMS. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.